Say hello to the new king of Ram sport truck lineup, the 2025 Ram 1500 RHO. With the TRX bowing out, the RHO steps in as Ram's sportiest offering yet. While it doesn't directly replace the TRX, it boasts a lower price and slightly less power. It still sits proudly atop Ram's new sport truck family, alongside the Rebel, Warlock, and Power Wagon. Under the hood, you'll find the high-output version of Stellantis' Hurricane engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six churns out an impressive 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds, reaches 100 miles per hour in 11.7 seconds, and tears through the quarter mile in 13.1 seconds at 105 miles per hour, with a top speed of 118 miles per hour. But the RHO isn't just about speed. Equipped with Bilstein's Black Hawk E2 adaptive performance shocks, this truck is built to handle any terrain. It sits 2 inches higher than the rest of the 1500 lineup, giving it an imposing stance. Engineers have outfitted the RHO with a BorgWarner full-time active transfer case, a robust Dana 60 rear axle, and a high-flow induction system with an easily accessible air filter for quick field cleaning. Add in a new low-restriction exhaust system with true dual pipes and 5-inch tips, and you've got a truck that sounds as tough as it looks. The RHO's exterior is 8 inches wider than the standard 1500, thanks to its massive composite fender flares. With a unique hood, grille, LED headlights, and optional full-length rock rails or running boards, this truck is designed to turn heads. It rolls on 18-inch bead-lock wheels wrapped in 35-inch tires, ready to conquer any path. Step inside, and the RHO continues to impress. The cabin features 12-way power leather front seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 14.5-inch infotainment display running Uconnect 5, and a 10.25-inch passenger screen with HDMI plug ensure you stay connected and entertained. Despite its rugged design, the RHO is also practical, with a towing capacity of up to 8,380 pounds and a payload capacity of 1,520 pounds. The 2025 Ram 1500 RHO is available for order now, starting at $71,990, including a destination charge. Look for it to join Ram's sport truck lineup in the third quarter of 2024. Don't miss your chance to own the latest evolution in Ram's legendary truck lineup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all the latest news on this exciting new truck. Visit www.ev-riders.com for latest update and auto news, and see you next time on EV Riders.